Hi guys, we have the Ernie Ball Musicians Toolkit. Just want to give you a quick look at the products here. Let's go ahead and open this up to give you guys a close-up. It comes in a box like this and a leather case on the inside. So let's go ahead and open this up and give you guys a quick look. It's a great tool for musicians, especially those that need this. Highly recommend it, as you can see here. So it comes like that. Nice case. Item shouldn't get lost. Zipper sealed. So let's go ahead and open that up. And this is what it looks like on the inside. This is what you'll receive on this end. Cutters, screwdrivers, everything you need. It's a great cost as well, so highly recommend it. That's what it all comes in the box, as you can see here. Great quality product. So if you're interested in purchasing this, please leave the link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.